All right, so here's a GoPro Hero 11. All right, this is the battery that goes in it. And this is the microSD card. Now I've got a SanDisk 128 gigabyte card, which I think is enough for me because the battery runs out by the time I get to that many gigabytes. But to get it open, you're going to see the front of it, and then over to the side is a little door latch. So what you've got to do is you've got to get your thumb in there like that, and you're going to take it and hold it firmly and then push hard. You really got to push hard. I mean, it's not, I'm putting some pressure on it. You see how it's moving? So now I can get to that door and it opens up. And if you look inside, you're going to see a port here. Okay, let me just set it down for a second. This right here, okay, right here is the port where the SD card goes. All right, you see it right there? And your battery goes there. Now you can put your battery in there if you want. You know, I mean, you could slide this bad boy down in there. Just got to make sure you get it in there right. I think it goes like this. Yeah, I think this is the way it goes. I could be wrong. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now that's in. Now if you want, you can put your card in. Now when you put your card in, your port's going to be here. You see the hole. And you're going to put it with the logo facing you and the gold facing this way, right? So I'm going to slide it in like that. And you see it kind of falls in there. Now I've got these tweezers because it's easier for you guys to see. So if I push it, you're going to see there's a spring on it, right? If I push it enough, it locks in. You follow me? Now, you could use an Apple tool to pop it out. Let me show you this one here. And what I do is if I take it and I come right here and I push on it, it should spring up. You see that? And then there's a little lip on it here, but you'll notice the tools don't really work very well. So I've got these tweezers, and it makes it a little bit easier for me to grab it and pull it out. You follow me? I mean, you can do it with your fingers, but it's a pain in the butt. So let's put it back in, and I'll attempt to do it with my fingers. All right, so I'm going to take my thumb, I'm going to push it as hard as I can, and I got it in. Now let's see if I can get it out with my thumb. I push it with a nail, and it pops out. And then you got to kind of like reach in and grab it like that. So you can do it that way. But let's go ahead, let's put it back in there, right? Let's slide her in. I'm going to push it down. Whoops, see, it's not easy. So I got to get really in there and push it. Now it's in, right? So it's nice and flat. By the way, that's the charging port, USB-C, just to let you know. Now to close this, I'm going to pull this over and I'm going to push on it and it'll pop down. And then I got to push this little lever over and now it's on there. Now if I pop it, let me show you again. To get it off, I really got to push. Pops, push it back, push this down. And that thing's working. Now let's take a look and see if the card is recognized. And what we do is we come here, we press this, and then this will open up. And if you look, you're going to see over here it shows SD card. So it looks like we're good. All right. Now if I wanted to do a little videotape, I'd just press here, and then I'd slide up, and we could, you know, watch it. Like I've already done one here on this card. Let's play it. Yeah. So that's that. But if I want to get rid of it, I could just go like that. All right, and it says delete, so I'd hit delete because I don't want to keep it, right? But that's basically it. There's no media on the card now. We're ready to go. SD card may contain data or may not. Who knows? Anyway, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff about the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Peace out.